But ultimately, we can go to this, which is the lyrical art. Now, the idea behind something like this is to actually make it a little bit more kind of like melodic techno, if you will. And again, this lyrical art sound is very, very simple. Again, you know, it's actually like 2 parts, but again, what makes this sound really interesting is that you've actually got 3 different waves going and some noise. So you've got the trisaw here on part B with the white noise, part A, you've got the sawtooth, and you've also got the square. So again, designed to give contrast from the other elements in this potential track. And again, if I play the top line here, the whole idea is, again, to make it a bit more, you know, for want of a better expression, a bit more sort of like Stephen Bodson Rodriguez Jr.-esque in terms of its whole idea. But again, still working within D. That'll be because it's not in 1-2-4. There you go. Again, not too rocket sciencey here, but it's all in that musical idea. And again, not being afraid to utilize chords as a form of harp. And again, you've got a more complex sound here as well, which has a bit more, you know, compositional complexity to it.